What is up, guys? Thea here with a new fan art video. I'm back. It's been a while since I've even uploaded anything because of school. Ugh. So I'm going to be drawing my new slimesona based on my favorite drink. Now I already draw my other slimesona and I didn't have time to record her, so I might as well draw a new one. So this slimesona is based on my fourth favorite drink. It's one of those orange soda called Fanta, and I'm basically going to go ahead and start since I've already don't have like time to draw like anything. I'm choosing this color of bright orange, and I'm gonna start drawing my slimesona.
Is Little John clothes that don't fit him or that?
And this slimesona is male. Yeah.
Probably around the house. And she said some stuff he just go wear around the house.
Yeah. You know why I like seeing him with those pants that look like big hoes?
He looks like a Mary Stu of me. Oh my god.
He was wearing these pants like not so long ago. And I was like, yo, he need to stop. And then was like,
I'm pretty much sure he's dramatic and everything. You want, like, if you want to know what your girl is doing before you even have a week of offer, it's just like one of those horrible moments. Don't mind the voices in the background, because that's my mom and my titi always trying to mess up my videos.
That's why she got rid of them.
For this, I have no idea, because I didn't have any idea for a YouTube video, so I wanted to upload one anyway, because I'm like super bored and I didn't have anything to do for this week.
She said when she washed clothes, she got more stuff, but she got her washing machine broke.
Again?
I want to make this character look like, okay, I'm going to leave some information on my slimesona on the description in the video, in case you guys want to see that. It's completely normal, so I don't want to start blabbing the whole thing out yet. Cause I could just try to make every slimesona of soda.
His shoes and everything.
I never really made a slimesona before, but this is for Alex, cause this is our slimesona. So I made this based on one of my favorite drinks.
Let me get the bag so I can put some of those clothes in.
Well, this is the stuff.
Hey, go eat.
Yeah.
How about the clean?
Also, can we hit up 17,000 likes, you guys? I would really appreciate it, and I'll start doing fan art, and maybe I will get even better at drawing. Cause as my mom always says, plastic makes perfect. So yeah, it does completely. It's a little bit stupid, but I know that a lot of times I'm drawing and doing fan arts. I've been doing fan arts for mostly my friends, people who I care around me, not just because. And mainly, I want to talk to you guys about my family, mostly because they're crazy and they're embarrassing. So there was this one time where I was little, right? And I asked my stepdad, "Hey Johnny, when will the Tooth Fairy come?" And he's like, "Tooth Fairy is dead. She ain't real. It's fake and it's fiction." Then he was just throw $5 at me like I was stupid. He's like, making it rain. There, stop losing teeth. There, you happy now? First of all, that's like one reason why my stepdad is crazy and funny. Yeah, sometimes ruin my childhood. But you know, I don't really think about my childhood being ruined, because I like having my childhood ruined sometimes. Mostly because sometimes everybody in my family who sometimes might ruin my childhood a little bit, and I don't know why, because whether or not this is the whole gene with the time lapse Slimesona. Okay.
But the shirt is cute.
So cute.
It's not black, it's blue.
Oh, this is amazing.
That's blue too.
Yeah.
Yeah, get rid of that today. Give me those clothes. You got those clothes?
This is just the stuff.
Go
Some
ahead.
stuff. He got a good shirt in here though. And underwear.
Ah,
But this other stuff.
it's so cute. It's so awesome. I'm really proud of my new Slimesona, guys.
Oh, for like
Porque yo se las pongo aquí a la noche.
this right here. And there's this and this.
Ve, tiene esta camisa
And
nueva. Aquí, ve.
Little John had these.
Yes.
These are all the clothes.
These don't fit John.
Okay, guys. Give a name for my new Slimesona.
He got a good one of his.
It's based on one of my favorite
How
drinks.
many you got on this shirt?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got on that shirt.
What, from the mills? I mean, Family Dollar?
Family $9.
Yeah, no, he could keep that shit. Because it was like $2, right?
Yeah. You said
Slimesona.
It was cheaper, remember?
yo tengo los calzoncillos aparte. Because I don't like to be looking for stuff. I just love.
Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to drop a like, pop a like, and pop a subscribe, and leave a comment down below for ideas and art, because I don't know what to do. Anyways, peace out and have a good